Harmony One might be a crypto project that you haven't heard of, but it's already making big waves in the blockchain community. Harmony One is a decentralized blockchain platform that aims to strike a balance between scalability and decentralization. Its implementation was driven by the slogan, "Decentralization at Scale," with an emphasis on data sharing and the creation of fungible and non-fungible asset marketplaces. Harmony is a platform for artists to interact with their audience. The platform uses proof-of-stake protocol to minimize centralization and speed up transactions. The community runs 640 Harmony nodes, which are similar to thousands of Ethereum and Bitcoin nodes. Furthermore, Harmony promises to bring high throughput with two lows, latency and fees. Welcome to CryptoCryptid. Today we're going to be looking at whether investing in Harmony One is a good idea. And if you want to know more about cryptocurrency, make sure you follow our channel. Let's get into the video. Harmony is a sharing protocol with a trustless Ethereum bridge, according to its website. Due to the splitting of the network into separate shards, sharding improves the network speed. The cryptocurrency Harmony has 1.4 billion market capitalization, and the circulating supply stands at 9.5 billion. It reached an all-time high of $0.223 on March 29, 2021, and a low of $0.0012 on March 13, 2020. Harmony aims to remove systemic barriers that prohibit cryptocurrencies from being true digital currency. This primarily refers to the scalability problem, such as what Bitcoin faced as its popularity grew, causing performance to suffer at the cost of using its payment system to rise. Instead, Harmony will use deep sharding technology, which will cover not only transaction confirmation and network communication, but also the state of the blockchain. Its search for complete scalability is focused on abandoning the modular approach in favor of attempting to reach consensus on scale. This involves optimizations applied to several layers of consensus algorithms, networking, and systems in order to maximize productivity without hindering decentralization. Harmony can be distinguished from Ethereum and other blockchain solutions by its higher transaction throughput, which is required to sacrifice other features in order to achieve performance gains. Competing solutions, according to Harmony developers, are unable to address the scalability issues or help applications that need high throughput efficiency, such as gaming or decentralized exchanges. Similarly, blockchains like EOS and IOTA have attempted to replace consensus structures with modern technology like guided acyclic graphs. All of this came at the cost of protection and/or decentralization, which Harmony seeks to maintain by dividing validators into shards that can process transactions in parallel. As a result, total transaction throughput should increase in a linear and parallel manner as the number of shards grows. Harmony's testnet achieved 118,000 TPS with 44,000 nodes in September 2018, with the aim of closing the gap to Visa's 2,000 TPS on a regular basis. Harmony's consensus protocol prioritizes reliability on energy and speed. The ability of the Harmony's fast Byzantine fault-tolerant protocol to employ parallel transaction processing to scale with the size of the network and effectively tackle communication latency underpins much of the system's scalability and throughput promises. Its network topology is designed to allow for faster message sharing and consensus. Simultaneously, Harmony includes a kernel that is designed to run its protocol in a way that enables a broader variety of devices to engage in consensus building, enhancing its decentralization. Some key innovations of Harmony. Number 1. Architecture. Harmony sharding protocol makes it fully scalable in every aspect, including network performance, transaction processing, and storage. Number 2. Random sharding. Sharding process is protected against shard attacks. Network validators are assigned randomly and shuffled among shards. Number 3. Fast consensus. Harmony uses fast Byzantine fault tolerance consensus algorithm, which is able to confirm blocks within 2 seconds. Number 4. Proof of stake. Harmony is a proof of stake blockchain. It is energy efficient and cost effective for node runners. Number 5. Cross-shard transaction. Harmony enables cross-shard transactions to achieve assets composability in smart contracts between shards. Secure random state sharding. By bringing the best research to production, Harmony has solved the blockchain dilemma. Sharding has been shown to help blockchains scale without compromising privacy or decentralization. It shards their network nodes as well as blockchain states to scale linearly in 3 aspects of machines, transactions, and the storage. To prevent single shard attacks, Harmony needs a large enough number of nodes per shard, as well as cryptographic randomness to reshard on a regular basis. For strong security against Byzantine behaviors, each shard has 250 nodes. For unbiased and volatile shard membership, Harmony uses the verifiable delay function. Fast consensus with instant finality. Harmony is improved on the battle-tested practical Byzantine fault tolerance for quick block transaction consensus. In Harmony mainnet, the quick BFT results in low transaction fees and 1 block time finality. To commit blocks in a single round of consensus messages, we use the Bonet-Lin-Shackham constant size signatures. With view changes in development, 2-second block time has been achieved against adversarial or unavailable leaders. In June of this year, the Harmony mainnet was launched. This network has created over 30 million blocks with over 450,000 transactions in native ONE tokens that are publicly traded. Effective proof of stake and token economics. Harmony has created a new proof of stake framework for network security and performance. The effective proof of stake algorithm reduces centralization and evenly distributes rewards to thousands of validators. Delegation and reward compounding are supported by its staking system. EPOS penalizes elected but inaccessible nodes and slashes validators who double sign to endorse 100% uptime with completely open participation. The annual issuance of 441 million tokens is capped by the Harmony economics model, about 3% rate in long term. Harmony's model provides validators with a straightforward and predictable result. When its network consumption is heavy, all transaction fees are burned to cover the issuance, resulting in zero inflation. The role of ONE token. By facilitating involvement in the Harmony ecosystem and acting as a payment vehicle for various activities on the network, the ONE token keeps the cogs of the ecosystem turning. This is accomplished in the following way. The ONE token is used as a stake in the Harmony consensus model. The tokens are used to compensate for different payments, such as transaction fees, storage fees, and gas fees. With the aid of ONE tokens, the holders are given voting privileges as part of the platform's governance framework. Is Harmony cryptocurrency a good investment? Despite the differences in price targets, some popular analytical outlets believe Harmony may be a buy in the next year and beyond. However, before deciding to include Harmony or another cryptocurrency in your investment portfolio, one should always conduct your own technological and fundamental study. How to invest in Harmony. Binance, Huobi Global, HIT BTC, and KuCoin are just a few of the crypto exchanges where you can purchase, keep, sell, or trade ONE. If you don't want to buy ONE tokens right now, you can always speculate on price fluctuations using contracts for difference. Due to leverage, CFDs allow you to profit from either an upward or a downward price change and increase your chances of larger profits or losses. On Capital.com, the Harmony cryptocurrency will be available shortly, while other cryptocurrencies can be traded via CFDs with a reputable broker. Will the price of Harmony crypto go up? Harmony's success indicates that it has a lot of room for improvement and widespread acceptance. While long-term Harmony price projections beyond 2030 should be viewed with caution, analysts from Digital Coin, Trading Beast, and Wallet Investor are positive on the ONE price for 2021 and beyond. Even after the IEO with Binance, Harmony has not caused any financial harm to its investors. The cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile, and all cryptocurrencies can experience short-term value declines. However, if the cryptocurrency you're investing is built on strong foundations, the loss would be minimal, and you'll be able to benefit right away. Harmony is one of the most powerful cryptocurrencies, as evidenced by its team, technology, and large community. Harmony is the right option for you in the medium and long term if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies but aren't sure which one to select. Harmony ONE coin price prediction 2021 to 2025. Harmony has risen to prominence as one of the most groundbreaking sharding protocols for scaling Ethereum decentralized apps. It can scale blockchains without compromising decentralization or security, thanks to the technology. It's no surprise that this portends to a price increase for ONE. Let's take a look at some analyst forecasts to wrap up the Harmony ONE crypto research. GovCapital forecasts that the price of ONE would rise to 0.2565 in a year and hit 0.62905 by the end of 2023. By February 2025, it expects ONE to be worth $1. Trading Beast predict that the price of ONE will reach 0.2329 in December 2021 and 0.3197 by the end of 2023. Digital Coin estimates a steady rise in the Harmony crypto price from 0.0350 in 2021 to $0.2806 in 2023, 0.4088 in 2025, and 0.6059 in 2028. Wallet Investor considers ONE to be an awesome long-term investment. According to the Harmony crypto projection, ONE could reach 0.3110 by next year and 0.9790 in 2026. Harmony's price has increased by almost 3,000% since the beginning of 2020. Despite this increase, Coin Bureau believes that Harmony has a lot of space to expand as a third wheel to Ethereum and Cardano. Harmony would most likely reach $1 per ONE token sometime this year, with rates continuing to rise $3 to $5 per coin by 2025. Many altcoins may be decimated if a crash occurs similar to that which occurred with Bitcoin in 2018, so keep that in mind before betting all of your money on a single altcoin. If you found the video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more cryptocurrency related news, and I'll see you in the next video.